This will be day 17 of our HackerRank 30 days coding challenge, and today we are going to be talking about more exceptions. They should be very easy, but the concept of exceptions is really very important, so try to understand exactly what is happening here. The task is, write a calculator class with a single method int power, int takes two int parameters. The power method takes two integers n and p as parameters and returns the integer result n to power p. If either n or p is negative, then the method must throw an exception with a message n and p should be non-negative. Alright, so let's go write this code. So we need to write a class. So I'm going to say, I'm going to write class. And the name of the class should be, let's see, calculator. The name of the class should be calculator. If you are joining me for the first time, please remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of it. Now, this class should have just a single method, which is called power. If I can remember, let me just check. So the method should be power and takes int. Now, I'm going to give a space and write power, and it's going to return an int. So I'm going to say int power. So it's going to take int a, int b. Now this is going to throw an exception. Int a, int b throws exception. Alright, because this has to throw an exception according to the question. Alright, so now this is going to return the result a to the power of b. Now, the first thing I'm going to do in Java to use exceptions, you need to import java.lang.math. That's where we have the power for function that we are going to use. Now, we can say now that results, int results. So the first thing we want to check before we do anything, we're going to check if any of them is negative. So I'm going to say if a is less than 0 or b is less than 0, then we are going to throw new exception, and then the message on the exception should be n and p should be non-negative. All right. Okay, so this is the first part. Now, the next thing we are going to do then is to now say else. Else, we simply calculate and return the output. So I'm going to say here, give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to say int results. So I'm going to place my results in this variable called result. So here I'm going to now calculate my results. Results is equal to maths.power. Math.power is actually POW, and give it the two values A and B, and I put my semicolon. Now, the result from math.power gives us a double, so we are going to convert it to int because they require us to, we are going to cast it to int because they require us to return an int, and I'm simply going to return the result here, return result. Alright, so this should work. That should work, I think. Okay, so let's try. That's the only way we know if it works. Let's just try it by clicking on run. And it says error class interface import. So I have a typo right here. Sometimes this happens. So let's just go to run again. And yeah, the sample test case passed. Let's submit to see if everything goes well. And seems everything works well. And congratulations. And also I would like to tell you, thumbs up to you if you've come this far. This is day 17. I would also like you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any challenges, please leave me a comment in the comment box below. I remain Kind on the Tech Pro, and I'm always there for you.